Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is King Cooker 12 RT FBF3 Outdoor Fry Package. This turkey fryer's numerous features ensure that you can fry a great turkey your very first time trying. This turkey fryer kit makes frying a turkey easy and convenient. The heavy-duty, welded outdoor cooker features 33,000 BTUs cast burners and even a deep fryer thermometer. And with 2 pots, you can choose the size that works best for whatever you are cooking. Fry up to a 20-pound turkey outdoors, or fry fresh fillets to a crispy golden brown with this King Cooker portable propane outdoor cooker. Try our deep-fried turkey seasoning package B004703 that is packed with mouth-watering flavors, turning any deep-fried turkey into a deliciously irresistible meal. Includes seasonings and injector. Safely and efficiently boil large quantities of corn, potatoes or your favorite ingredient in the 29 quarts pot with perforated basket. The 12-inch portable propane outdoor cooker has a high-pressure 33,000 BTU cast burner, and the package includes a large 29-quart aluminum turkey pot with lid and punched aluminum basket for boiling. The package also includes turkey rack and lifting hook, and an 11-quart aluminum fry pan with basket and heat-resistant handle. Use the deep fry thermometer to monitor the temperature of the oil and adjust the flame with the adjustable regulator with battery-operated timer. Number 2 in this best turkey fryer list is Cuisinart CDF 500 Deep Fryer. This Cuisinart deep fryer comes with a separate fry basket for all your fried food needs, and doubles as a steamer, if you choose to use it without oil. The Cuisinart Extra Large Rotisserie Fryer is a multitasking marvel that not only fries a whole turkey in an hour using less oil than a traditional fryer, it also fries up big portions of delicious appetizers, entrees, side dishes, breakfast treats and more. Use it without oil to steam all your favorites, like vegetables, desserts. The options are unlimited. Rotisserie function fries up to an entire 14 pounds turkey an hour using less oil than traditional fryer. Fries potatoes, onion rings, seafood, chicken, vegetables, donuts, and much more. Large stainless mesh basket with cool touch handle. Our third choice is King Cooker 12 RTF Turkey Fryer. This complete set includes everything you need for turkey frying. The turkey rack and lifting hook will help you slowly lower the turkey into the oil and remove it when cooking is done. Fry up to a 20-pound turkey outdoors with this King Cooker heavy-duty 12-inch portable propane outdoor turkey frying package. The cooker has a high-pressure 38,000 BTU cast burner, and the package includes a large 29-quart aluminum turkey pot with lid, turkey rack and lifting hook. Use the deep fry thermometer to monitor the temperature of the oil and adjust the flame with the adjustable regulator with battery-operated timer. A thermometer with an extra long probe lets you monitor the oil temperature while keeping your distance from the hot oil, and the regulator is adjustable so you can set the flame to maintain the temperature you need. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best turkey fryer list is Charbroil Turkey Fryer. If you're craving the crispy exterior of a fried turkey but don't want to deal with the mess or precautions involved with oil frying, you'll appreciate the performance of this oilless fryer. It should be used outdoors and connected to a propane tank, which you'll need to provide, and uses infrared technology to perfectly cook whole birds, rib roasts, pork tenderloins, and more. 1200-inch 2 smoking and roasting basket will accommodate large cuts of meat, fits up to a 21 pounds turkey. And with the TRU infrared cooking system, you'll get that great, oil-less fried turkey taste, crispy of the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. Removable grill grate is ideal for grilling your favorite foods such as burgers, chops, wings, steaks, chicken and veggies. And with the TRU infrared cooking surface, there are no flare-ups, food can't fall down between the grates, and the results are tender and juicy. Side-mounted smoker box is accessed from the outside of the unit, allowing you to add wood chips without having to open the lid. Use with your favorite chips: apple, cherry, hickory, pecan or mesquite to add real smoke flavor to your food. Our fifth and last choice is Gas One Turkey Fry. With a single propane burner that cooks, boils and grills rather quickly, it could make a great addition for those looking to power their tailgating, camping or family cookout. It also features a 0 to 5 pounds per square inch adjustable regulator and a heat-resistant, steel-braided hose that ensures safe gas pressure and flow. Gas One single propane burner cooks, boils, and grills rather quickly. A great addition for those looking to power their tailgating, camping, or even the occasional family cookout. Gas One single propane burner includes an aluminum steamer and stock pot so that you have all the materials you need to get cooking right away. A reliable burner for diverse cooking, Gas One single gas burner is a great tool for turkey frying, crab boiling, Cajun cooking, and other types of outdoor cooking.